Hey guys, this is Leo with Mining Sumo, and just a quick video. Here I am printing the clips to hold the PCIe risers in place, to lock them into the PCIe slots so they don't come out, because it's been a problem for a lot of people where they accidentally pull them out and then your rig doesn't boot. So this simple upgrade will keep your rig running normally, and you won't risk pulling out your PCIe connector or even like burning it out. So you can actually buy this on Amazon, or if you have a 3D printer you can make them yourself. So here I'm using Ender 3V Pro, not 3V Pro, Ender 3 version 2. It's actually an upgrade for the Ender 3 Pro and Ender 3 versions. It's a pretty inexpensive printer and works pretty good once you set it up. But yeah, all of them need setup and figuring out how to use them. For example, I actually had to replace the nozzle twice because I was getting a jam, because out of the factory it came with this Bowden tube not inserted deep enough, where there was actually clogging. There was a bleed out of the filament and it was clogging inside the hot surface, right above the nozzle. So this is a second nozzle and a third clean out. Finally it's running okay, but before that I had like a bunch of prints that were stuck, because then my filament got stuck on the reel. So yeah, you gotta know what you're doing if you're printing them. You can buy this on Amazon for pretty inexpensive, and I think I might actually sell this on Amazon. So if you're interested, let me know, and once this is finished I'll show you how they work.